honestly wish I would have came here sooner. I've learned a lot, and I'm ready to take the test.
It's great, very informative. You guys do a good job of making it not seem so boring like some of the other seminars I've been to.
It's my first year attending the conference. I think the conference is definitely well worth the money spent and the time to travel. The instructors have been outstanding, been able to answer just about any question off the top of their heads.
I think it's wonderful. I've had some other training and this by far tops them all.
Definitely come. It's just wonderful, the whole experience.